Good afternoon guys, kumusta po kayo? So today ay magbukas tayo ng parcel galing sa Timo. So ang dumating na parcel guys ay ang mga solar lights at nakakasama na yung magic tape or ang glow in the dark na tape na linagay ni Bobo sa hagdanan. Hinulang kasi guys, so nag-order ako ng 6 na tape. So yan, tinawag ako. Dumating ang materials. Palagyan natin ng nipalahat na tin roof para hindi siya guys iinit tulad ng ganyan. So para hindi mainit yung store area, yung front ng bahay, para comfortable by ni neighbor yan guys sa kabila. So ayan, na nearly finished na yung roof. Tapos ang bilis na ng store kasi may wow na siya guys.
Look at this t-shirt guys, Philippines. Philippines.
You want one? Let me know.
Seller na si daddy.
I advertise, so if you want one, I will buy it.
Very cheap dan, no?
Very cheap. Cheap.
Under 300.
If you want one and you're in Australia, let me know.
Smile.
See? If you want one and you live in Australia, let me know. I will buy you one
Philippines.
in Australia.
The name is Philippines.
Yeah, but you let me know if you're in Australia, I'll buy you one.
So how many is that? 4. Sige. Si Tam-Tam ato na bu. Okay. Punta tayo dito guys. And then here. Oh. Nan. Hindi. Yep. Idugon. Nancy, but ang iyala nga pagkating. Pinsan nyo hapos na ni amon nga roof ha. Perte na ni sampawanay. Wala na yun may malusot ka tubig. Oh, kapos guys. We have to put some more. Yan sila maglagay ng ano. Yan. Wow. Wow. Good morning. Welcome to our life in Bacolod City. So we are here this morning in our 3rd floor. And I will just put a spray for mosquitoes flying. For a mask. Let's put our mask. There we go. Yun lang. They like to fly up, the mosquitoes. So last night guys, it rained and happy Tuesday. Naulan siya And then, may ano ako guys, may morning Bobo. Bobo is here. Reporting for duty today. Hindi siya day off today. Bro, napula pa. So, this is our morning, ano. So, nag-duty na si Bobo sa bahay. Anong project ta today? I-try ta niyo?
Pag yan, itong box sa dalom.
Ay, may box. Oh, amo to nahon tabi. Ang box nga babaw. Try tabi.
Dito ba sa isa?
Later.
Oo.
Ara gamiton taw. Nga upholstered.
Oo, sir.
Ay.
Maapang ko dado po kung ano.
Ay.
Basa ka. Nagayagay talaga meron sa inyo.
I don't think we have enough foam. Ang foam ta is measured for here.
Kaya sa'yo pumiya. Kaya pumiya.
Si puntang foam ikata di para direo. Dua ka bilog. And then kung may sobra dira o sa ano sa pink. If not baklanta sa kwan lang. Nipis.
Yeah, oo.
Okay, sige. So, this is our morning in Bacolod. Malapit na 8 o'clock. Ayan na guys, tapos na tayo. Pwede na tayong bumaba. And doon na naman tayo sa ibaba. Marami akong gagawin ng mga maliliit na bagay doon sa ilalim. Clean up, tidy up. Yan ang ginagawa ko. Para pag alis namin later, medyo where is my ano? Ay, ito. Tissue ko. Pag alis namin, malinis na yung bahay. So, ganyan guys, walang boring moment sa akin. Tapos, mag-Facebook lang ako niyan pag wala na talaga akong gagawin. Pero, hindi ako mahilig sa ano, sa Facebook na. Hindi ko na siya, mahilig na ako sa ano, sa Facebook page. Okay. Ayan. So, si Bubo, busy guys. Ito yung linagyan niya ng ano, cover. So, we got the foam. We got the upholstered. So, lalagyan niya yan. Yung isa. And this one here is almost finished. And then, naglagay kami ng decor. Ayan. Okay. It's not too hot. Magpaandar lang tayo ng ano, electric fan. Para hindi siya masyadong mainit. Ready, Pinky guys. Parking si Daddy, driver. Daddy the driver. Not too much money. Thank you.
Just checking how much I had. How much
Mas snack kaming dalawa guys. We gonna go for snack. I said, Daddy, I didn't bring my bag. Because we took the camera guy. We took him to catch the tricycle from the house. He fixed the thing, the cameras. And Daddy said, are we going? I said, yes. So that's what happened. We have no bag. Pasyal in City Mall. Daddy.
They always try to fix the
Elevators. The escalator. And elevator too. Tayo guys.
Bye-bye now.